So my name's Tim Kiser. I'm one of the owners of Nautical Boat Club franchises. Started in Nashville, Tennessee when no one really knew what a boat club was, but found out real quickly that it was something that people were wanting and busy families were needing. And I've been going ever since. I've opened up clubs just in a matter of months, and that's because of the franchise. But with the franchise, you have purchase agreements with the nicest boat manufacturers. You have marina contracts pre-done. You have all these things that allow you to really step-by-step open up a club. Even if you never opened up one before, you're not going to be left alone. You have a great resources from the other owners around the country to the franchise itself to the templates and even the sales and marketing and all the things that are pre-done for you. So you can step right in and you can have really the nicest marketing campaign from day one of a business where you just open up that business and you are marketing to people in a first-class way to get members. We're providing something that's more than just a business. Boating is a family event. We provide families with that memories that last a lifetime. Someone is thinking about becoming one of our owners, it's a team effort. You're not on an island by yourself trying to run your business. You have to rely on the other people because frankly, you're new and you're not gonna know everything that you need to know. So the culture of our owners is that we're open door. We're constantly thinking together, working together. We're like a family, so when you become a Nautical Boat Club franchise owner, you really are buying into a family, not really just a corporation.